What is up, YouTube? So today I'm going to teach you how to get very rich in Treasure Hunt Simulator. So here's some tips. If you play Treasure Hunt a lot, Rebirth. If you hardly play and you want to get rich and you don't want to start all over again, don't Rebirth. That's what I be seeing a lot of people be doing. And yeah, you have to play I play 3 hours a day to get I have 11 rebirth and 200 million and not the nuke. That's the tips. There you go. That's how you get rich in Treasure Hunt Simulator. Sub and like the video and post notification. I will be doing daily uploads. I'm sorry I don't be doing it. I had school. Now it's spring break. Thanks for watching. Bye.